Hi, let me show you how to be social on social media using the Facebook old look. You might have the old or new look, but in commenting and liking other business pages as yourself or as a business. I see a lot of people liking their own post as their business. That's not good. So I'll show you what's going on. If I am on my home feed and I want to do a comment, see, I like this post, okay? See here how there's my little photo, and if I click this arrow, it's gonna say, do you want to comment as one of the pages that you manage? So I'm gonna say yes, I'm gonna comment as Catherine Aird social media. Okay, so I can like this post and I can comment, and you have to put a thoughtful comment. So great training option. Okay, I put this. What happens is that when people hover over my name, they will see kind of a little business card. They'll be able to link straight to my business. Okay, I could go here. If people go visit that page and see my comment and click on it, it's like a little business card that goes with it. Okay, so I can go through my own feed and decide, oh, I'm gonna either comment as me or I can comment as my business as we go, okay, on some of the posts. Now, what I want you to do is from your feed, I want you to go in that search bar and look for like-minded businesses in your community. Anywhere you would leave your business card to, okay? So say if I type in Whistler, because I live in Whistler, and let's see what comes up. Fairmont Whistler, those are all different pages, okay? So I can go to maybe say Go Whistler, which is Tourism Whistler, and see what they have. See how it says here, I can click those two little dots and like this page as my page. So I can like it as myself, but I can like it as my page. And that's what you want to be doing to be social as your business, okay? So I'm going to like it as my page. And now it's going to say select a page because I manage several pages. In this case, I'm going to pick up um, my page, which of course now it's like going to be hiding just to make things silly for me. But see if I decide to like it as this. Okay, so I submit it and then I've liked it as a business. But what I want to show you is that when I go on the Go Whistler, so Tourism Whistler page, I can go here and I can like this post. Okay, I can comment as myself. So I can say, uh, can't wait to ski. Okay, this would be me. So now people say it's Catherine Aird. So that's my personal profile. But see here, it says I can comment as my business. And so I can say here, let's make sure first official snowfall, bring on La Nina only in Whistler. Looking stellar out there today. Okay, so I'm going to show you again what happens. So if I put, say, a little emoji with that, and then I'm going to click enter. And look what happens. Anyone who goes to the Tourism Whistler page or that sees this post on their newsfeed because they follow Tourism Whistler, they will see my comment. I'm liking, but just a like is a like. But if I do this, see if I people hover, they'll be able to link to my business page. So it's like if I'm dropping a business page at some places. Now, the mistake I see a lot of time is that people go on their own business page. So for example, if I go on my business page, and this is the old look, the new look is different. It wouldn't kick in for me today, but I'm gonna do a video for the new look too. And so if I go here on my business page, so sometimes you manage a page with other people and then they want to comment personally, but then they mess up and they comment as the business. So if you have admin access, be careful if you put a comment so you don't like as the business, because it's kind of silly if you like your own post, right? I have someone who did that this morning. So see here, I could like this here. as my business, or I can go here and I can like as a personal profile. I can see me. I can answer as me. I can comment as me. I can comment as another page that I manage, or at see here it says different pages I manage and myself. So be aware of that, because you want to know who you are acting as. So I hope this helped. If you have any question, please reach out. Go to catherineair.ca and then you can get a hold of me there. Thank you.